Welkom terug maats, vandag gaan ons 'n nuwe klank leer. O. Welcome back everybody, today we're going to learn a new sound. O. Now repeat each word after me. Blow. That's the color blue. Glow. That is a claw. Bow. That means to build. Mow. It's a sleeve. Trou. That means to get married. Pauw. Yes, it's a peacock. Vrou. Woman. Doe. It's a dewdrop. Hout. It is wood. Well done. Now repeat each word after me. Herhaal elke woord na my. Dou. Trou. Mou. Hout. Pauw. Blou. Klou. Bow. Well done everybody. Let us see how much you have learned today. Kom ons kyk of julle hierdie volgende speletjie kan regraai. Is jy gereed? Kom ons begin. Now look at the picture and try and figure out what the word is that's missing in the sentence. Are you ready? Here we go. Trou. Blou. Klou. Bow. Doe. Bow. Well done everybody. You make me so proud. Baie mooi maats. Ek is trots op julle. Now let us see how you do the next activity. Are you ready? Lees die woorde. Read the words. Well done, now let's see if you can read a bit faster. Kom ons kyk of jy vinniger kan lees. Baie mooi maats, kom ons leer nog 'n paar ou woorde. Woud, it's a forest. Coat, that means cold. Goud, it is gold. Stout, naughty. Sout, that is salt. Gous, it is a sock. Foe, it means to fold. Hoe, hold. Toe, it is a rope. Well done everybody, you did a fantastic job. Next time we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, please take care.